Hey there, how are you? I hope you are doing well. And today I'm going to give you some suggestions or some useful methods by which you can make your English or you can speak English very fluently. So here are some suggestions. What you do, sometimes what happens, the sentences are in your mind, but you don't express, you don't know how to speak those sentences fluently. So here are some suggestions to make your English fluently. So what you do, sometimes what happens, what we think, we don't have environment, or so nobody is there to speak with us in English, so we get disheartened at that time. So now no need to be discouraged, but you can make your English fluent by yourself. So what you need to do is that you have to memorize vocabularies. Please memorize vocabularies as much as you can, because vocabularies are the key. Because if we don't have the particular words for the particular sentence, then we cannot speak English. So this is why we have to memorize the vocabularies as much as we can. So what you do, if you are not getting any partner to speak English, just make yourself as your partner. Because if keep the habit, because if nobody is getting you, nobody is willing to speak English with you, then for whom you will wait? Okay, so no need to wait, and you should not wait for any other person to speak English with you, but you have to make the habit of speaking with yourself. This is only a nice idea, really, and it works. So make yourself as your partner, so then only you will be able to learn English. So don't wait for another person to speak English with you, but you have to practice by yourself only. So try to make a conversation with you alone. Okay, so with yourself, this is how you can improve your English. Otherwise, if you fail to practice English conversation, then you are not going to make it. So this is why I am saying to you, study grammar also, but we don't learn English actually by reading or writing. We speak English only by speaking. Okay, so grammar also is there, no problem, but moreover we have to practice it every day. And this is how we can do that. If we make ourselves as our partner, so it gonna work. And this is my suggestion for you, that you please go ahead in your life, don't stop, and keep on trying and speak every time with yourself. But you may say that if I will speak with myself, somebody will think that he has gone mad. But I am not saying to speak with yourself in public. Okay, not publicly, but you have to speak with yourself when you are at home, when you are alone. That time you have to speak English with yourself. Also, this method will really work out, and surely you are going to learn English in the days to come. Thank you.